नामलिंगानुशासनं नाम अमरकोशः यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्य नगगुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रियै चामृताय च अथवा ग्वर्गः। कल्याणी वदति वा?
अथवा
ब्राह्मी तु भारती भाषा
ब्राह्मी तु भारती भाषा ब्राह्मी तु भारती भाषा
गीर्वाग्वाणी सरस्वती
गीर्वाग्वाणी सरस्वती गीर्वाग्वाणी सरस्वती
व्याहार उक्तिर्लपितम्
व्याहार उक्तिर्लपितम् व्याहार उक्तिर्लपितम्
भाषितं वचनं वचः
भाषितं वचनं वचः भाषितं वचनं वचः
अपभ्रंशोपशब्दः स्यात्
अपभ्रंशोपशब्दः स्यात् अपभ्रंशोपशब्दः स्यात्
शास्त्रे शब्दस्तु वाचकः
शास्त्रे शब्दस्तु वाचकः शास्त्रे शब्दस्तु वाचकः
तिंसुबद्धचयो वाक्यम्
तिंसुबन्तचयो वाक्यं तिंसुबन्तचयो वाक्यं
क्रियावाकारकान्विता
क्रियावाकारकान्विता क्रियावाकारकान्विता
श्रुतिस्त्रीवेद आम्नायः
श्रुतिस्त्रीवेद आम्नायः श्रुतिस्त्रीवेद आम्नायः
त्रयी धर्मस्तु तद्विधिः
त्रयी धर्मस्तु तद्विधिः त्रयी धर्मस्तु तद्विधिः
स्त्रियां ऋक्सामयजुषी
स्त्रियां मृक्सामयजुषी स्त्रियां मृक्सामयजुषी
इति वेदास्त्रयस्त्रयी
इति वेदास्त्रयस्त्रयी इति वेदास्त्रयस्त्रयी
शिक्षेत्यादिश्रुतेरङ्गम्
शिक्षेत्यादिश्रुतेरङ्गम् शिक्षेत्यादिश्रुतेरङ्गम्
ओंकार प्रणवौ समौ
ओंकार प्रणवौ समौ ओंकार प्रणवौ समौ
इतिहासः पुरावृत्तम्
इतिहासः पुरावृत्तम् इतिहासः पुरावृत्तम्
उदात्ताद्यास्त्रयस्वराः
उदात्ताद्यास्त्रयस्वराः उदात्ताद्यास्त्रयस्वराः
आन्वीक्षिकी दण्डनीतिः
आन्वीक्षिकी दण्डनीतिः आन्वीक्षिकी दण्डनीतिः
तर्कविद्यार्थशास्त्रयोः
तर्कविद्यार्थशास्त्रयोः तर्कविद्यार्थशास्त्रयोः
आख्यायिकोपलब्धार्था
आख्यायिकोपलब्धार्था आख्यायिकोपलब्धार्था
पुराणं पञ्चलक्षणम्
पुराणं पञ्चलक्षणं पुराणं पञ्चलक्षणं
प्रबन्धकल्पना कथा
प्रबन्धकल्पना कथा प्रबन्धकल्पना कथा
प्रवह्लिका प्रहेलिका
प्रवह्लिका प्रहेलिका प्रवह्लिका प्रहेलिका
स्मृतिस्तु धर्मसंहिता
स्मृतिस्तु धर्मसंहिता स्मृतिस्तु धर्मसंहिता
समाहृतिस्तु संग्रहः
समाहृतिस्तु संग्रहः समाहृतिस्तु संग्रहः
समस्यातु समासार्था
समस्यातु समासार्था समस्यातु समासार्था
किंवदन्ती जनश्रुतिः
किंवदन्ती जनश्रुतिः किंवदन्ती जनश्रुतिः
वार्ता प्रवृत्तिर्वृत्तान्त
वार्ता प्रवृत्तिर्वृत्तान्त वार्ता प्रवृत्तिर्वृत्तान्त
Actually, Vrittantah. Varta pravrittirvrittantah.
वार्ता प्रवृत्तिर्वृत्तान्तः वार्ता प्रवृत्तिर्वृत्तान्तः
उदन्तस्यादथाह्वयः
उदन्तस्यादथाह्वयः उदन्तस्यादथाह्वयः
आख्यान् आख्याह्वे अभिधानञ्च
आख्याह्वे अभिधानं च आख्याह्वे अभिधानं च
नामधेयञ्च नाम च।
नामधेयं च नाम च नामधेयं च नाम च
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. We will go for the meanings of 2 or 3 lines. First one is, there was one question, why in some books it is called Shabdadi Varga, in some books it is called Vag Varga. Now, there are versions in some books, there are 2 Vargas. Vag Varga is here, then there is a Shabdadi Varga, Shabda Varga. You see Shabda Varga, Shabde Ninada Ninada Dhvani Dhvana Ravasvanaha. Now, in some books, this Shabda Varga will not be there. This Shabda Varga, how many lines? About 6 lines or 8 lines. These 8 lines is merged with Vag Varga. Then it is called Shabdadi Varga in those books. In the books which have 2 Vargas separately, Vag Varga and Shabda Varga, where Vag is given the Saraswati Sthanam and it is defined differently. The Shabda is defined separately and it is just a sound. So that Shabda is given afterwards. In some books, these 2 Vargas are combined. So those books where it is combined, it will be having Shabdadi Varga. Those books where it is having Vag Varga and Shabda Varga as 2 Vargas separately, it will be having 2 Vargas separately and the names are Vag Varga and Shabda Varga respectively. Okay. Now, this is the clarification regarding that. So somebody asked what is the difference between Vag and Shabda. You will know it once we finish these 2 Vargas. Now, first word here is Brahmi tu Bharati Bhasha Girvagvani Saraswati Vyahara Uktir Lapitam Bhashitam Vachanam Vachaha. Now, Avataranika for this Varga. This Varga is a very, very important Varga, just like our Kala Varga. We will learn lot of things in this Varga. Please don't miss even a single class of this Varga. If you want to understand the words, meanings, the explanation, etc. Don't miss a single class. Now, how this Varga is starting? Why this Varga is starting here, if you want to ask. Now, in the previous Varga, Dhi Varga, there Amarasimha spoke about Jnanendriya and Karmendriyas. He said, Rupam Shabdo Gandharasaha Sparshascha Vishaya Ami. He spoke about Rasas, Shadrasa as per Ayurveda. Then he spoke about Gandha, which is the smell. Then he spoke about Rupa, which are the colors and other things. Now, what is left is Shabda. Shabda, something related to the Karnendriya. Karnendriya, which is through which we can know the Jnana, that is left out. So he didn't speak anything about that. He thought it deserves a separate Varga by itself, because this the basis of this Shabda, Vak and others, you have a Shastra, Vyakarana Shastra's base is itself here. And Vedas is standing only on sound, Shabda, Vyakarana, Ityadi, all those concepts. That is why I think Amarasimha thought that this deserves a separate Varga by itself and he has started it. And he has started it as per that sequence only, where he is dealing with Rupam Shabdo Gandharasa Sparshascha Vishayami. He is dealing with Shabda now. This is the Avataranika for this Varga. Now, in this Varga, the first thing is he takes this Shabda or this Vak. First, he tells that this Shabda or sound which you are talking is not something which you are hearing outside, some Shabda, some somebody is making some sound and you are hearing that. It is not that. It is a Vak. It is a Vak Devata, and it is present in different states of mind, states of it is different. It is present in different states. So that is what he is trying to tell. Vachanam, vachaha, bhashitam is that Vak which you can hear, that which comes out. I am talking something and you are able to hear that. That Vak is what we call it as Vak, and that Vak has got 4 parts. Before it came out here, it was inside. So in inside, what it was doing? It was having some, there is a process by which it comes outside. So there are a lot of things with respect to that. So first thing is, this Vak itself is personified as a Devata. It is a Devata, and we call that as Saraswati. We call that as a Devata, and that is what he tries to bring first. That concept he tries to bring first. That Vak itself is a Devata. So the first set of words is Brahmi, Bharati, Bhasha, Gihi. So Gihi means Gir Shabda. Rephanta Gir Shabda Strilinga. Now all these are first set of words in the first line are all Strilingas: Brahmi, Bharati, Bhasha, Gihi, Vak, Vani, Saraswati. This must Strilinga, we can call it as Vak Devata. So these words are used for Vak Devata, when you personify the Vak as a Devata. Now, Vachanam, we have Vyahara, Uktir, Lapita, Bhashitam, Vachanam, Vachaha. These are called as Vachanam, the speech. Vyaharaha, Uktihi. Again, it is Vyahara and Ukti is Vyaharaha is Pullinga, Uktihi is Strilinga. Lapita, Bhashita, Vachana, Vachaha. Vachaha Sakaranta Vachas Shabda. Vachaha Vachasi Vachamsi. So Vachas Shabda Napumsakalinga. Lapitam Bhashitam Vachanam Vachaha Napumsakalinga. So these are words. Words which are spoken. Vyaktayam Vachi. So if you go to the Dhatu Pata, you will see that all this is Bhashate iti Bhasha. So all this is Vyaktayam Vachi. That means it is outrightly when we start communicating, what words come out, they are called as Vyaharaha, Uktihi, Lapitam, Bhashitam, Vachanam, Vachaha. Okay. So these are the 2 sets of words for these 2. For Vak Devata, Brahmi, Bharati, Bhasha, Gihi, Vak, Vani, Saraswati. You can use the Vak Devata words for your words also. Mama Saraswati Bahiragata. You can tell. That means my words have come out. You can use that. Normally, but Saraswati is not used. You can use interchangeably. You can use, but what I wanted to tell you is, Amarasimha wanted to give that Vak a higher platform, which is why he starts with Brahmi, Bharati, Saraswati. These words are Vak, Vani, Gihi. All these are Vagadi Devatas. Words are also included. It is also the words which come out. Now, next set of words is Apabramshopa Shabdasyad Shastre Shabdastu Vachakaha. Now, for cow, C-O-W, cow, the animal cow, what is the word which we are using in Sanskrit? Gauhu. Now, if somebody who doesn't know Sanskrit or who has learned Sanskrit not properly on his own, instead of telling Gauhu, he will say it is Gavi, Goni, Gota, something he will tell. Gota, Goma, something he will tell. Instead of telling Gauhu. Now, those set of words which he tells, he means cow, but what he is telling is Gota, Goni, Gopa, something he is telling. For the meaning of the word cow, he is telling some other words which is not as per the Shastra for that particular meaning. So those words which is Gota, Goni, etc., all those are called as Apabhramsha. Apabhramsha words. Okay. It is a non-translatable. We cannot tell. So Apabhramsha means those words are not the correct words as per the Shastra. Now Apabhramshaha, so Apashabdaha, the Apashabda or the incorrect word is termed as Apabhramsha. So what we can say is, if it is, so what is wrong in telling Gota, Goni, Goma, etc.? I will tell Goma, Gomo, Goma, something I will tell. What is wrong? We will say it is not as per Vyakarana. So Apashabda is that Shabda, or it is incorrect. It means it is not as per the Vyakarana rules. That is why it is called as Apashabda or Asadu Shabda. So Apabhramsho Apashabdasyad Shastre Shabdastu Vachakaha. Shabda ityukte, the word Shabda here means Sadhu Shabdaha. As per Shastra, that is Vyakarana Shastra, Shabda means Sadhu Shabda, is Vachakaha. Is Sadhu Shabda is the Vachaka for the Artha. So if you have to convey a meaning, you need to have a word associated with the meaning. So that is Vachaka. So for conveying that, the word should be Prakriti Pratyaya Upeta. It should have Prakriti, it should have Pratyaya. Prakriti Pratyaya, you get Padam. So based on that, the Shastra says that Pada, Asmat Padat Ayamartho Bodhavyaha. This Pada means this. That is, that we get from our Shastras and our Purva and our forefathers, their forefathers, etc. So we get it from there, from the tradition. We get that this is this, the meaning of this particular word is this. For this particular meaning, this is the word to be used. Like that we get. So that is called Shastre Shabdastu Vachakaha. Shastre Yakopi Shabdaha eva Arthasya Vachakaha Bhavati. In order to convey a meaning, we have to use the word. Word. That is what he means by this. So if you, what is Shabda as per the Shastra? Prakriti Pratyaya Upeta Vachakaha Arthasya Vachakaha Sadhu Shabdaha Samskritaha. It is Samskrita means it is cultured. It is Samskrita as per the Shastra. That is called Shabda. Now with this we will stop here. We will go for some chanting for today, and then we will go for the question. So today we'll do some chanting. Questions can be done after the chanting. Chanting, people who want to chant, please raise your hands. Varun,
Namaskaram, I want to say from Swarga Varga.
From Swarga Varga. You have already told till Shiva or something, no? Uma.
I did.
Till where else you have told?
Last time I finished the Dhi Varga.
Dhi Varga. Swarga Varga you have not told.
No. I mean, some parts I did not, from not, okay.
You tell only those parts which you have not told earlier. That's what is my request. If you want to tell from beginning, you can tell. What is that you want to tell now today?
Can I tell from Shiva?
Shiva. You start.
शम्भुरीशः पशुपतिः शिवः शूरः शम्भुरीशः पशुपतिः शिवः शूरीमहेश्वरः ईश्वरः सर्व ईशानः शङ्करश्चन्द्रशेखरः भूतेशः खण्डपरशुर्गिरीशो गिरिशो मृगः मृत्युञ्जयः कृत्तिवासः पिनाकी प्रमथाधिपः उग्रः कपर्दी श्रीकण्ठः शितिकण्ठः कपालभृत् वामदेवो महादेवो विरूपाक्षस्त्रिलोचनः वृषानुरेताः सर्वज्ञो धूर्जटिर्नीललोहितः हरस्मरहरो भर्गस्त्र्यम्बकस्त्रिपुरान्तकः पुराणपुरुषो यज्ञपुरुषो नरकान्तकः कपर्दोऽस्य जटाजूटः पिनाको जगवन्धनुः प्रमथास्युः पार्षदा ब्राह्मीत्याद्यास्तु मातरः विभूतिर्भूतिरैश्वर्यमणिमादिकमष्टधा अणिमा महिमा चैव गरिमा लघिमा तथा प्राप्तिः प्राकाम्यमीशुत्वं वशित्वं चाष्टसिद्धयः उमा कात्यायनी गौरी काली हैभवतीश्वरी शिवा भवानी रुद्राणी शर्वाणी सर्वमङ्गला अपर्णा पार्वती दुर्गा मृडानी चण्डिकाम्बिका आर्या दाक्षायणी चैव गिरिजा मेनकात्मजा कर्ममोदितु चामुण्डा चर्ममुण्डा तु चर्चिका विनायको विघ्नराजद्वैमातुरगणाधिपाः अप्येकदन्तहेरम्बलम्बोदरगजाननाः कार्तिकेयो महासेनः षड्जन्माषडाननः पार्वतीनन्दनः सेनानीरग्निभूर्गुहः बाहुलेयस्तारकजिद विशाखशिखिवाहनः षण्मातुरशक्तिधरः कुमारः क्रौञ्चधारणः शृङ्गी भृङ्गीरटस्तुण्डी नन्दिको नन्दिकेश्वरः इन्द्रो मरुत्वान्मघवा बिडौजाः पाकशासनः वृद्धश्रवासुनासीरः पुरुहूतः पुरन्दरः जुष्णुर्लेखर्षभश्चक्रशतमन्युर्बृहस्पतिः सुत्रामागोत्रभिद्वज्री वासवो वृत्रः वृषा वास्तोष्पतिः सुरपतिः बलारातिशचीपतिः जम्भभेदी हरिहयः स्वाराण्णमुजिसूदनः सङ्क्रन्दनो दुश्चवनः दुराषाण्मेघवाहनः आखण्डरः सहस्राक्षरभुक्षास्तस्य तु प्रिया पुलोमजा शुचीन्द्राणी नगरी त्वमरावती हय उच्चैश्रवासूतो मातलिर्नन्दनं वनं स्यात्प्रासादो वै जयन्तः पाकशालिः ऐरावतो भ्रमातङ्गैरावणाभ्रमुवल्लभाः सादिनी वज्रमास्त्री स्यात् पुलिशम्भिदुरं पतिः शतकोटिस्वदुष्टम्बोदम्भोलिरशनद्वयोः व्योमयानं विमानोऽस्त्री नारदाद्यासुरर्षयः स्यात् सुधर्मा देवसभा पीयूषममृतं सुधा मन्दाकिनी वियद्गङ्गा स्वर्णदी सुरदीर्घिका मेरुस्सुमेरुर्हेमाद्रि रत्नसानुस्सुरालयः पञ्चैते देवतरवः मन्दारः पारिजातकः सन्तानः कल्पवृक्षश्च शिवा हरिचन्दनं सनत्कुमारो वैधात्रः
Ragun Puranik.
Ram, sir. Sir, I want to say from Kubera Isha Patayah, Digvargaha. Sir, can I start? कुबेर ईशः पतयः पूर्वादीनां दिशां ब्रुमात् रविः शुक्रो मही सूनुः स्वर्भानुर्भानुजो विधुः बुधो बृहस्पतिश्चेति दिशां चैव तथा ग्रहाः ऐरावतः पुण्डरीको वामनः कुमुदोन्दन पुष्पदन्तः सार्वभौमः सुप्रतीकश्च दिग्गजाः करिण्यो भ्रमुकपिला पिङ्गलानुपमा हृमात् ताम्रकर्णी शुभ्रदन्ती चाङ्गना चाञ्जनावती क्लीबाव्ययं त्वत्पतिशं दिशोर्मध्ये विदिक्स्त्रियाम् अभ्यन्तरं त्वन्तरालं चक्रवालन्तु मण्डल अभ्रमेघो वारिवाह स्तनयित्नुर्बलाहकः धाराधरो जलधरस् तडित्
तडित्वान्
धरो जलधरः तडित्वान् वारिदों बुभृत् घनजीमूतमुदीरज लमुग्
ಏನಿದು
sir
you know one story.
sir I cannot hear you properly sir.
ಘನಜೀಮೂತ ಮುದಿರ ಜಲಮುಗ್ಧೂಮಯೋನಯಃ.
Okay sir. घनजीमूतमुदीरः जलमुग्ध
ಮುದಿರ ಘನಜೀಮೂತ ಮುದಿರ ಜಲಮುಗ್ಧೂಮಯೋನಯಃ.
घनजीमूतमुदिरः धूमयोनयः. Sir,
How does visarga come there? ಘನಜೀಮೂತ ಮುದಿರಃ ಜಲಮುಕ್. Then what would have happened to that visarga?
Mudira.
If after visarga you get ja, that is a mridu
Okay,
vyangana.
sir.
What will happen to that visarga? First visarga is not there. You have to listen properly and correct.
Okay, sir.
ಘನಜೀಮೂತ ಮುದಿರ ಜಲಮುಗ್ಧೂಮಯೋನಯಃ. It is a single word.
Okay, sir. घनजीमूतमुदिरः जलमुग्धूमयोनयः.
किरीटा इवाग मुदिरः ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೀವು ಪುನಃ किमर्थं मुदिरः उक्तवान् भवान्? घनजीमूत मुदिर जलमुग्धूमयो.
घनजीमूतमुदिर जलमुग्धमयोनयः. Sir, sir, can you hear me?
Ragun.
Sir.
Now you are able to hear me. So we
Yes,
lost
sir.
power here because of power failure. I lost you.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Next, you can tell in next class other things.
Okay, sir.
So we will see if others are there to ready to tell. Jana Iyer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can unmute yourself. You can mute yourself. Jana Iyer. Jana Iyer.
Hello.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namo Namaha. I could not hear you for some time, so I thought probably something went wrong. Network problem or something.
Yes, yes. Now you want to chant something?
No.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bharat Rao. Bharat Rao.
Namaste Mahodaya. I will start from Mandakini Viyadganga. Mandakini Viyadganga Swarnadi Suradirghika Merusumerurhemadri Ratnasanussuralayah Panchaite Devataravo Mandarah Parijatakaha Santanah Kalpavrukshascha Pumsiva Harichandanam Sanatkumaro Vaidhatras Swarvaidyavashvini Sutau Nasatyavashvinau Dasravashvineyau Chatavubhau स्त्रियां बहुष्वप्सरसस्वर्वेश्या उर्वशी मुखाः घृताची मेनकारम्भा उर्वशी च तिलोत्तमा सुकेशी मञ्जुघोषाद्याः कथ्यन्तेऽप्सरसो बुधैः हा हा हूश्चैव माद्या गन्धर्वास्त्रिदिवौकसाम् अग्निर्वैश्वानरो वह्निर्वीतिहोत्रो धनञ्जयः कृपीटयो निर्ज्वलनो जातवेदास्तनूनपात् बर्हिर्षुष्मा कृष्णवर्त्मा शोचिष्केश उषर्बुधः आश्रयशो बृहद्भानुः कृशानुः पावको नलः आश्रयाशो बृहद्भानुः कृशानुः पावको नलः रोहिताश्वो वायुसखः शिखावानाशुषुक्षणिः हिरण्यरेताहुतभुग्दहनो हव्यवाहनः सप्तार्चिर्दमुना शुक्रश्चित्रभानुर्विभावसुः शुचिरपित्तमौर्वस्तु वाडवो वडवानलः वह्नेर्द्वयोर्ज्वालकीला वर्चिर्हेतिः शिखा स्त्रियाम् त्रिषु स्फुलिङ्गोऽग्निकणः सन्तापः सञ्ज्वरः समौ उल्कास्यान्निर्गतज्वाला भूतिर्भसितभस्मनि क्षारो रक्षा च दावस्तु दवो वनहुताशनः धर्मराजः पितृपति
नेक्स्ट टाइम वी कैन टेल सर
अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः श्रीराम करुणाकरन् श्रीराम महोदय
महोदय दिक्वर्गे अभ्रमेघो वारिवाहः वारिवाहः स्तनयुग्नुर्बलाहकः धाराधरो जलधरः तडित्वान् वारिदोऽम्बुभृत् धनजीमूतमुदिर जलमुग्धूमयोनयः कादम्बनी मेघमाला त्रिषु मेघभवेद्रियम् तनितं गर्जितं मेघनिर्घोषे रसितादि च शम्पाशतहृदा रागिनी ऐरावत्यः क्षणप्रभा तडित्सौदामणि विद्युच्चञ्चला चपला अपि स्फूर्जथुर्वज्रनिर्घोषे मेघज्योतिर्निरम्मदः इन्द्रायुधं शक्रधनुः तदेव ऋजुरोहितम् वृष्टिर्वर्षं तद्विघाते अवग्राहावग्रहौ समौ धारा सम्पात आसारः सीकारो अम्बुकणा स्मृताः वर्षोपलस्तु तरका मेघतन्मेन्हि दुर्दिनम् अन्तर्धाव्यवधापुंसि त्वन्त्वद्दीरपवारणम् अपिधानति रोधानपिधानाचादनानि च हिमांशुश्चन्द्रमाश्चन्द्रः इन्द्रुः कुमुदबान्धवः
From
विदुःसुधांशु
Chandra, Sriram Mahodaya, from Himamshu Chandra, next time you can tell.
अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः उत्तमरीत्या उक्तवान् Andrew.
So I still have to chant from Svarga Varga from this Buddha. Manindra Shri Ganashasta Manishakya Modistuyaha Sashakya Simha Sarvartha Siddha Shodho Dandishchasaha Gautambashcharka Bandascha Maya Devi Svatashchasaha Brahmatma Bhus Rajeshtaha Parameshti Pitamaha Hiranyagarbho Lokeshaha Swayambhushchaturananaha Tatabjayo Nirdruhino Virinchi Kamalasanaha Srashta Prajapatirvedha Vidhata Vishvasrud Vidihi Nabijanmanda Jaspurvo Vidanah Kamalodbhavaha Sadanando Rajo Murtihi Satyakoham Savahanaha Vishnur Narayana Krishna Vaikunto Vishtarashravaha Damodaro Rishikeshaha Keshavo Madhavasvabhuhu Daitya Rifpundarikaksho Govindo Gardadvajaha Pitambaro Chatasharngi Vishvakseno Janardanaha Upendra Indra Varajash Chakrapanish Chaturbujaha Padmanabho Madhuripur Vasudevas-Trivikramaha Devaki Nandana Shauri Shripati Purushottamaha Vanamali Balidvamsi Kamsarati Radokshajaha Vishvambhara Ketabajit Vidushri Vatsalanchanaha Purana Purusho Yagya Purusho Narakantakaha Jwalashahi Vishvarupo Mukundo Muramardanaha Vasudevasya Janakasya eva Nakutundubihi Palabhadra Pralabban Bhagno Paladevo Chutagrajaha Revati Ramano Ramaha Kamapalo Halayutaha Nilambaro Rohineyasthalanko Musalihali
Nilambaro Rauhineya.
Rauhine, okay. Nilambaro Rauhineyasthalanko Musalihali Sankarshanasirapani Kalindi Bedano Balaha Madano Manmato Ma.
From here you can tell next time.
Okay, namaskar sir.
Dhanyawada. Uttamaritya uktavan. So I think we start the class here. Questions I will take tomorrow after discussing a few more lines. We will take the questions tomorrow. We have to close the class by 6:15 because there are other webinars happening at 6:30. There will be other people logging in. They will feel that, and when this webinar is going on, it will come that another webinar is going on. They will get confused whether their class has started early, something they will get confused. So at any cost, we have to close by 6:15. This is what Yoma team people who are running this e-learning, they are telling us. So we can't continue beyond 5:30 to 6:10 is our class. 5 minutes we can continue and we can take it up to 6:15 we can go. धन्यवादाः सर्वेभ्यः राम राम स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।